You've built a product that people actually want, and growth is accelerating. But as the team expands, the rapid scale has turned you into an operational bottleneck, where every decision and every deployment still runs straight through you. This is the reality of Level 1 and Level 2 operational maturity. Processes are reactive, infrastructure is ad hoc, and the critical knowledge required to keep the business running is locked securely inside the founder's head. When the operational friction gets high enough, the immediate temptation is to solve it by dropping AI and automation tools directly on top of the mess. But injecting black box AI into an undocumented system is dangerous. Instead of efficiency, you risk runaway cloud spend, the creation of shadow products, and a total loss of oversight. This is the problem Xappert Incorporated solves. Through fractional product leadership, secure Google Cloud migrations, and safe AI workflow integration, we build the systems that let founders safely step back from the daily toil. You cannot automate chaos. To reach true scale, you have to build the structural guardrails first. Reaching Level 3 maturity starts with stabilizing the environment. We migrate messy, fragmented infrastructure into a single, predictable Google Cloud organization, cleanly separating shared platforms from product environments. This diagram shows our approach to data ownership. GitHub serves as the strict, single source of truth for all code and strategy. Notice the one-way data flow. Direct mutation is prevented entirely. Internal databases only hold derived state, feeding into immutable audit logs. With the data flow locked down, we enforce strict FinOps rules across the board. Every cloud resource requires a mandatory label, a dedicated owner, and hard budget alerts. If a project doesn't have an owner and a spending cap, it does not exist. This foundational layer eliminates ambiguity. It replaces the fragility of an unpredictable startup with a fully observable and stabilized system ready for automation. This context diagram shows how we build an automated governance and ritual layer directly on top of that infrastructure, routing all personas and code actions through a central filter. The boundaries in this access model show exactly how persona-based restrictions work. Developers get instant feedback, managers review team velocity, and founders maintain high-level override authority without needing to intervene in every task. The sequence here tracks a typical pull request. Instead of waiting for a manual review, a webhook triggers the policy engine. In Step 5, it instantly evaluates the request against risk policies and returns a result before a human ever looks at the code. This ritual flow illustrates how continuous signals are captured by scheduled triggers. Over a 1 to 4 week window, activity trends and anomalies are normalized into summaries, giving leadership a clear, high-level view of organizational health. This solves the startup control paradox. Removing the founder from day-to-day micromanagement actually increases their high-level oversight and security. Which brings us to the final phase, Level 5. We inject specialized AI agents into the daily workflow. Categorized across knowledge, product operations, and governance, these agents are designed specifically to eliminate operational toil. Agents are advisors, never independent actors. This model locks the AI layer between structured knowledge and human governance. AI can observe systems, flag risks, and draft tasks, but every recommendation stops at the human barrier for approval. The boundaries are absolute. AI is never allowed to deploy code to production, authorize financial spend, or alter core systems of record. This bounded, read-only approach increases company velocity because human leaders transition from generating raw work to simply reviewing and approving it. In a fully realized Level 5 organization, the friction is gone. Infrastructure costs become predictable, systems document themselves, and founders are no longer bottlenecks. Your business has reached a state where humans are hired to supervise intelligent systems, not to compensate for missing ones. Stop letting operational friction choke your potential. Partner with Xappert Incorporated for GCP migration and fractional leadership to build a truly durable institution.